Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Kitab Shala, a series crafted for talented and ambitious individuals keen on boosting their wisdom and knowledge portfolio. If diving into books feels like a challenge, you are at the right place. Today, I will break down the 7 key lessons from the book The Alchemist in under 7 minutes. Imagine a world where dreams guide you every step, where the universe speaks in whispers, and where the journey of a shepherd boy turns into a quest for the heart's deepest desires. The Alchemist by Paul Coelho paints such a magical world through its pages. This book is like a map for those who seek adventure, wisdom, and a touch of enchantment in their lives. The story is about a shepherd boy from Spain whose name is Santiago. He keeps getting the same dream about treasures that are living in the pyramids of Egypt. He embarks on a journey to follow his dream after meeting an old king who offers him magic stones and advice. Santiago crosses the Mediterranean and Sahara to find his treasures in Egypt and also accomplish his personal legend, which is his purpose in life. The book details his journey and the various encounters that he experiences when following his dream. Throughout the journey, Santiago meets many new people and a lot of difficulty, which ultimately helps him to learn and grow the entire way. Here are 7 beautiful lessons from the book Alchemist. Number 1. Chase your dreams. Santiago, the shepherd in The Alchemist, wanted to find a hidden treasure. Even though it felt far away and impossible, he kept going. His journey shows us that our big dreams are important. We should never stop believing in them, even if this seemed really hard. Just like Santiago, if we stay determined and never give up, we might discover amazing things along the way. This story teaches us that our dreams are like precious treasures and it's worth chasing them with all our strength. So, always keep believing in your dreams, no matter how far they may seem. Number 2. Listen to your heart. Santiago, the shepherd boy, teaches us something amazing. That our hearts are like a compass. Even when everything around us is loud and confusing, our hearts know where to go. It's like having a wise friend inside us. When we listen to our feelings and that little voice inside, that our intuition, we often make the right choices. Santiago's story reminds us that our hearts can guide us to the best adventures and decisions if we just take a moment to listen. So, when things get noisy and confusing, trust your heart, it knows the way. Number 3. See the signs. Melchizedek, a wise person in The Alchemist, teaches us something magical. That the world around us is like a big book of hints. Just as Santiago learned to understand these hints on his journey, we can also notice clues and messages from the world. These signs might come in the form of coincidences or gut feelings. When we pay attention to them, they can help us make choices and find our way in life. His wisdom reminds us that the universe often leaves us secret notes. All we need to do is keep eyes open and hearts open to read them. So, don't forget to look for the signs around you. They might lead to you to amazing adventures. Number 4. Embrace challenges. Santiago's journey in The Alchemist is full of tough times, just like the bumpy roads we sometimes face in life. These challenges help him become a better, stronger person. It's kind of like a puzzle. The hard pieces make the picture more beautiful when it's complete. Life's tough moments like Santiago's trials can actually teach us important things and help us grow. They are like life's way of saying, hey, you are getting stronger and wiser. So, when things get tough, remember that these challenges can be like stepping stones on your path to becoming the best version of yourself. So, keep going. Number 5. Love's true meaning. Santiago's love for Fatima in The Alchemist teaches us something beautiful about love. It's not about owning someone or keeping them close all the time. Real love is like cheering for your loved one to be the best they can be. It's about helping them follow their dreams, even if it means being apart sometimes. Love is like sunlight. It helps someone grow and shine as a true self. Santiago and Fatima shows us that love is more than just words. It's about believing in each other's dreams and supporting them on their journey. It's a powerful reminder that love is all about making each other's life brighter. Number 6. Transformation and growth. Santiago learned something special from The Alchemist, the magic of turning regular things into gold. But not just in metal, in life too. Our experiences are like the magic potion that help us grow and become better people. Just like Santiago's journey changes him, our adventures and challenges can turn us into stronger, wiser versions of ourselves. It's like we are in our own alchemy lab, constantly transforming and improving. So remember, life's experiences are the real treasures helping us become the best gold version of ourselves, even if we don't have a magical potion. Number 7. Trust your path. Santiago discovers something truly valuable on his journey. The journey itself is the real treasure. This means that the path we take in life is often more important than the destination we're trying to reach. It's like enjoying the ride on a train rather than just waiting to get to the final stop. His story reminds us to trust the twists and turns in our own journeys, even if we are not sure where they will lead. Along the way, we learn and grow, and that's what really counts. So, don't worry too much about the end goal. Embrace and cherish the experiences and lessons you gather on your own journey. In the enchanting world of The Alchemist, the author masterfully intertwines lessons of adventure and spirituality, creating a rich tapestry of wisdom. As we walk alongside Santiago, we are not only entertained but also encouraged to delve into our own dreams, tune into the whispers of our hearts, and recognize the guiding signs that surround us. This book isn't just a tale, it's a gentle reminder that our personal journeys hold immeasurable worth, sometimes even more than the destinations we yearn for. Whether you are young or old, The Alchemist cradles timeless truths within its pages, ready to inspire and uplift your soul. Think of this book as a treasure chest of knowledge, but here's the twist. It's not just about stuffing your brain. It's about unleashing that wisdom in your life. Books are not just givers, they are transformers. It's not what you take from a book, but what magic books draw out from you. It's time to turn those insights into action. Thank you and see you in the next video.